friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm sharing the April Simply Earth Essential Oil Recipe Box. This month is cleaning, and cleaning is one of the top reasons I'm sure so many of you use essential oils for. I know I do. So I love this. They have a couple of new products that they're launching on May 3rd, and a couple of them are in here, so you'll be able to get a sneak peek of that. This is their monthly recipe box. So you subscribe, and then each month you get this shipped to your house. In the first month you get a big bonus box with it. Actually, this comes in a bigger box with coconut oil, carrier oils, almond oil, and bottles to make different recipes like rollers, so you don't have to just like search Amazon for all of that stuff. It's really convenient. And then you get one of those every 6 months, which is also really nice because that's about the time that you'll run out of those things. But anyways, this is April, so when you sign up and subscribe for April, this is what you will get. So there are, I'll take that out so you can see, there's 4 oils every month, and then recipe cards and things to make your recipes. So I will just open up everything and show you what you're gonna get this month. We use essential oils. We only use natural cleaners for cleaning. That is the #1 thing that I got rid of or swapped when we switched over to like a more natural home. Cleaning products were #1 because we had a crawler, like Zara was really little, so she was on the floor all the time. So I really thought about like, what are the floors being cleaned with, because there are chemicals that she's cleaning or crawling and walking around on, and then like touching her face, and it was just like alarming that some of the cleaning products that we used to use had such toxic and harmful ingredients. And #2, like if they were to get into something under the cabinet, which child locks of course you will have, but accidents happen, these natural cleaning products aren't going to be as toxic if an accident does happen. So anyways, cleaning is really important to us. Natural cleaning is really important, and because essential oils and natural cleaning products are super effective. So this month you will get black pepper. So this is a 5 milliliter bottle. This is black pepper essential oil. It is from Madagascar. The aroma is spicy and fresh. I don't think I have Simply Earth's black pepper. Actually, I don't know if I've ever had a bottle of black pepper. This is the essential oil that Fume uses. That's the essential oil or the aromatherapy inhaler that I really love. This black pepper is the oil that is used to combat like nicotine addiction and to help people stop smoking. And I kind of get why. It kind of has like a similar aroma to like a cigarette butt. Black pepper. Okay, so I'm really interested. I don't think I've ever had a bottle of it. I'm excited to have a new oil that I've never used. Clean and Fresh. This is a blend that I have. We use this in a lot of different things. Laundry, you can put it on your dryer balls. We put it, the girls get really smelly shoes. I just think that they're super busy and like so active at school that their feet get so sweaty, and so I put this in their shoes. I wash their shoes every week because they're so bad, and then I add a couple of drops of this to like the sole of their shoe. But you can use it for so many things. You can add it to your DIY cleaners. Sweet Orange is next. Sweet Orange is an essential oil that everyone loves. I feel like no one is gonna take a whiff of Sweet Orange and be like, oh, I don't like that. It's just super fresh and happy. Orange is one of the #1 oils that people use to promote like a happier mood or happier outlook on things. And I already have Sweet Orange, so I'm not going to open that one. I'm going to save it. I have a whole thing of I save duplicate oils and do giveaways. But if you see when you're on your account on Simply Earth and you see that you're getting an oil that you already have or an oil that you don't like, you can swap it out. And then lastly, you get 2 blends this month. This one is Homebody, which is one of our favorite blends to diffuse. I fell in love with this like a year ago or something in a box, but this is Howood, Amyris, Copaiba, and Vetiver. So this is a really good one to diffuse just anytime. I really like it in the winter though too. It's got just like happy, calm vibes. And then I didn't tell you what was in Clean and Fresh. So this is a blend too. This is fir needle, neroli, lemon, and grapefruit. So it's very kind of, well, it's got the tree, so it's like grounding and uplifting too with the citrus. It's a very unique smell too. It's it kind of balances those two like notes, balance each other out. And it smells really good. It's fresh. without being like pine sol fresh. Okay, and then next in this side here, I will take everything out. I'll do the recipes first. You also get stickers so you can label everything that you make. They really just take the guesswork, the brain work out of making products with essential oils. I just filmed a bunch of, I was behind on making my recipes, so I just filmed a bunch of reels with cool recipes, so look for those on my Instagram. But and also what I'm going to start doing is filming a separate video of making all of these or using them, because like this is just a dishwasher tab, so maybe just my review or something. But I want to show you guys how I like make them and use them, as well as just sharing the box with you. Okay, so these are the recipes. The first one is dish tab oven cleaner. So I don't know if you've seen, but a lot of cleaning TikToks and things like that, they use like a dishwasher tablet to dissolve in the sink to like cut grease off of different pots and pans or whatever. But this one, you're using a dishwasher tab, which this is a new product. They're launching on May 3rd, so you'll be able to buy these in a pack after that. But you use one of these, 3 drops of Clean and Fresh, and then hot water. So you're going to dissolve this in water, and then dip the dishwasher tab into the bowl of hot water with light pressure. Use the tab to scrub the glass. Oh, that's genius. You're not dissolving this. You are dipping it and using it to clean. And my oven is really gross. I will definitely do a video on using that and seeing how well that works, because we moved into this house and they had never cleaned the oven. I'm like certain it was gross. But anyways, Homebody foaming hand soap is next. Love that. I make my own foaming hand soaps just with Castile soap and oil, and that's exactly what this is. So you're going, oh, and an optional ingredient is a preservative, which is GeoGuard ECT, and they sell that on their website, and sometimes it'll come in different boxes. But anyways, it's basically just Castile soap, which you do get a small thing of, and you only need a little bit of anyway, and then 8 drops of Homebody, and then you mix it into a foaming hand soap pump, and it's super cost effective that way, and just clean, and you know, you're not like, it's not going to super dry your hands out like some of those like antibacterial hand soaps do. I hate those, especially in the winter. But Castile soap can be used for so many different things. This is like a staple in a natural clean home. You can use hand soaps, you can use it for literally anything, shampoo, body wash, all of the things. So you'll just need a couple, what does it say, 1 tablespoon for the foaming hand soap pump. Clean and Fresh dish soap is next, and oh, so that's cool. You just use the Castile soap, Clean and Fresh, and then this is something else that they're launching. Have you guys seen these? These are Swedish dishcloths. I really, really like these. So it's kind of like this cardboardy looking sheet, but when you get it wet, it softens up and you can use it as a rag. So it's intended to replace paper towel and sponges, I believe. Those are the 2, and it really works so well. And to clean them, I just learned this because I would just throw them in the washer and it kind of ruined them. You can just throw this in the dishwasher when you need to clean it, or in the microwave to disinfect, like microwave it for 30 seconds, I think. So anyways, I'm excited that they're launching these. There's a bunch of cute ones too. There's a lavender one, but this one has little lemons on it. So anyways, you're making a dish soap, and then this is like going to be your sponge, which is really cool. Up and Atom roll-on blend. So there's always a recipe for a roller, which the empty roller bottles will come in your big bonus box. But this is Homebody essential oil, black pepper, and then you just dilute it with some fractionated coconut oil. And black pepper, I'm interested to start making things with it because I've never worked with it before. And then 1, 2, 3 laundry sheet. So this is the 3rd product. That's launching on May 3rd, and these are just different sheets, laundry detergent sheets, and you can add essential oil drops to them right before you throw them in. So I'll show you what they look like, and then so you just add 5 drops of oil. You don't have to though, to the sheet, and then you wash your laundry. Okay, so it doesn't smell like anything. Making sure, is it just 2? So I think 2 come in your little packet. It's a really thin, kind of feels like soapy. And then you just drop the laundry detergent sheet into the washing machine drum with the load of laundry for a quick way to get your clothes clean. Use 1 sheet for a small load and 2 sheets for a large load. And then for added benefits, place 5 to 10 drops of essential oil onto the sheet. Love that. I've never used any kind of waterless product. Actually, I have soap nuts we've used in laundry before, which do really work. So I'm excited. This is so sustainable. Most laundry detergent jugs are, first of all, huge and full of water, which is so crazy to me and not sustainable. And then 2, they're just toxic. Even the free and clear ones have ingredients that you really just don't want clinging to your clothes and then being on your skin all day. I always like to share the value too. So the value this month is $116 and the box is $44.99. But when you use my code Noora free, I'll put it down here or in the caption or somewhere, you get a $45 gift card back in your email to use on future purchases. And then you also get that free big bonus box that I was talking about with all the other goodies that you'll need to make different recipes. And then you also get access to a free essential oil hero course, which kind of just teaches you the basics of essential oils so that you're using them properly and safely, which is really important. So if you have any questions, the last thing that I always like to share is they give 13% back to help end human trafficking, which I think is just amazing. Link to shop the box will be down below. It's an affiliate link. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know if you're going to get the April box. And I hope you have a great day. Bye.